Please forgive me for the low quality of today's video. It is late at night here in Japan. I just have one light and I'm using my iPhone, so it's not going to look amazing. But what I have to show you is amazing. I found my Grail watch. For some people that could be a most amazing Rolex or a Patek Philippe, but for me it's a Seiko. My Grail watch is actually a Seiko 5 of all watches, and it's this Street Fighter 2 Ryu. Did you know that? Let me show you. So in this box, this Seiko 5 box, I found my Grail watch. Usually these are selling online for around 60,000 yen, which I think is a lot of money for what is essentially a 20,000 yen watch, because the non-Street Fighter 2 versions, excuse me, they're selling, you know, it's an SRPD, it's the replacement for the SKX, and it's not worth 60,000 yen. But I didn't pay 60,000 yen. This I found as all my best watches in a thrift store. It's actually a pawn shop in one of Tokyo's dirty neighborhoods. I found, while walking past, I just happened to be there, I found in the display case this box, and inside this box was this box, and inside this box was a piece of cardboard and a brand new, never worn Ryu Seiko. I think it's an SRPE079, perhaps. I can do a full review later. I just wanted to share with you the excitement of this very special watch for me. I'm gonna really enjoy wearing this. Check it out. Check it out. Whoa. So this is the Street Fighter limited edition to 9,999 models. So around the world, there's almost 10,000 more, but this one is mine and I will not sell it. It has the beautiful, like, judo gi cloth strap. It has the white dial and the faux damaged bezel, which Ryu would have obviously smashed up while he was training with his watch on, which I don't think he did. But anyway, let's, you know, I'll give you a closer look, get it closer to the camera. You can see it's like a cream finish. It's got a date. It's beautiful condition, never been worn. I took the sticker off the back just before I got it home, and also there was a sticker on the back of this which I took off. I had a previous SKX, got some corrosion on because of that. But anyway, this is the, I think, SRP. I'll double check that later, but it's the 079 made in Japan J1 version, not the K1. Ryu Street Fighter 2, so please look out for a review. I look forward to seeing you later. Thank you, guys.